Hello, hope you're doing good. In this video, I will be showing you how to add Spotify playlists to Wix website. The first thing you want to do, once on the editor page, you're going to go over to the top left hand corner and you can tap where you see home. Then from there, you're going to select the page you would like to add the Spotify playlist to. After you're finished, you're going to go over to the top left hand corner and you are going to tap on the plus that says add elements. Then from here, I want you to select video and music and you are going to select Spotify player. Then you can simply drag and place it wherever you would want on your website. So let's say for example, right here on the home page. After you have done that, you're going to see the player pop up and you're going to simply tap on it, then select settings. After selecting settings, you're going to see a pop-up window that says search Spotify. You can simply tap on that. Then from there, you can enter the artist name. So let's say for example, Drake. Then you'll tap on enter. From here, you can either choose to add album, you can add tracks, or you can select playlists. So we can see the different playlists available right here. And you can simply select the one that you would like to add. Then you'll tap on select. After you have tapped on select, you can see that it has now been added, as you can see right there. You can also tap on settings, and from here, if you would like to change the music, you can do that. You can also see the Spotify URL right here. So if it was a case that you would like to paste in a specific Spotify URL, you could paste it in this section, then tap on update. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.